If you're like most American retirees, you've worked hard for your nest egg. But with the economic uncertainty we're facing right now, rising inflation, volatile stock markets, and uncertain bank policies, many are worried about the future of their savings. So, what can you do to protect what you've built? Today, we're diving into 3 safe assets you can use to shield your wealth from all of this volatility. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to hear the real story of a couple of retirees who took control of their future and turned things around by making one key move. Let's start with the current state of the economy. According to recent reports, inflation remains high, and banks are facing more scrutiny than ever before. Financial instability is everywhere, with markets swinging wildly and the dollar losing its purchasing power. For many, this is a wake-up call, especially for those relying on their retirement accounts to live comfortably in their golden years. Now, take a moment and think about your retirement. If you're sitting on a large IRA or 401k, maybe you're feeling a little uneasy about what's coming next. How can you avoid the risk of losing what you've worked so hard to build? Well, let me tell you about someone who found a solution. Meet Barbara from Florida. Barbara had been saving for retirement for over 30 years, putting in her hard-earned money into her 401k. But as the stock market started to dip and inflation began to rise, she saw her savings start to shrink. She was worried. But when she learned about Gold IRAs, an investment in tangible, real assets that are safe from market swings, she decided to make a change. Barbara took the first step by getting a free Gold IRA guide and educational call, no strings attached. She was able to roll over $550,000 of her 401k into a Gold IRA. Now, her wealth is protected, and her retirement is more secure than ever before. She doesn't have to worry about the market's volatility or inflation eroding her savings. Instead, she has a stable asset that holds its value no matter what's happening in the world. What's great about a Gold IRA is that it's a physical asset, which makes it immune to the same risks as stocks or bonds. It's a timeless, reliable store of value. The government can't print more of it, and it's not tied to the whims of Wall Street or the economy. So when the stock market crashes or inflation hits, gold stays strong. So what's the takeaway here? You don't have to sit idly by as your savings lose value. You can take action today to protect your retirement, and it's easier than you think. If you're over 100K in your IRA or 401k, you're eligible for a free, no-obligation call to learn more about how a Gold IRA can benefit you. There are no pressure sales tactics, no gimmicks, just one-on-one educational calls where we'll walk you through everything. If it's a good fit for you, that's great. If not, no problem at all. You'll leave with valuable knowledge either way. I know how hard you've worked to get where you are, and I want to make sure you can protect that hard work for yourself and for the next generation. Your future deserves the best protection, and that starts by making informed, smart decisions today. So don't wait. Click the link below to get your free Gold IRA guide and schedule your educational call now. Let's make sure your retirement stays as secure as it can be, no matter what the economy throws at us. Your future is worth it.